Important new habits to start today. A lot of self-help books and videos will tell you that you should find ways to cultivate good habits and to overcome bad habits. They teach you how new habits are formed and what you can do to increase your chances of them sticking. But what they often don't tell you is precisely what habits you should actually form once you have the know-how. In this presentation, we'll take a look at some of the most useful new habits to form once you have the ability. 1. A morning routine. A morning ritual is something that nearly all the most prolific people in history share. This routine can involve anything you like, whether that is working out or just reading the morning paper. Either way, if you can take control of your mornings, this will often set you up for a productive day as well. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise will not only get you into better shape and strengthen your body and your health, but it will also improve your brain power, boost IQ, and even help you to sleep better. Absolutely everyone should be getting some sort of regular exercise, and if you are not currently, then you should seek to fix that as soon as possible. 3. Meditation. Meditation is exercise for the mind, just as running or weights are exercise for the body. I cannot stress enough how valuable this is for increasing your focus, your discipline, your IQ, your memory, and your ability to cope with stressful events. This is something that everyone should incorporate into their routine, and that can have much more profound effects than you probably expect. The good news? Starting with just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough, and studies suggest that you will boost concentration in just 3 days of practice. Interested yet? 4. Reading the news. This is something that you don't hear about so often, but it's actually incredibly important. Reading the news will make you much more knowledgeable about events that matter to you. It will help you to make an informed decision when you are voting, and it will make you a more interesting and knowledgeable person to speak to. This engages you more with the world around you and puts everything you are doing regularly into context so that you better understand it. Make sure that you find time on a regular basis to check the news and to bring yourself up to date.